Welcome back, kids. So answer the following questions we discussed now. So if you have any problems, we have a lot of solutions to solve the problems, and you have to take a 6 steps to solve the problems, and you have to take which is the best solution for this problem, and you have to solve it. Got it, kids? The next one, question time. Answer the following. Where did Rita go for her holiday? Which place she went for the holiday? Yes, she went to Ooty. Okay, so who is lived in Ooty? Grandfather. Okay, so you can write those answers. Rita went to visit her grandfather in Ooty. This is a hill station in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then second question. Rita and her grandfather are playing a game of, what is the name of the game they played? Hide and seek. Okay, write those answers in your book. The next one. Why didn't Rita's grandfather come looking for her when they were playing? What is the reason? She was hiding under the table, no? So after a long time, she waiting for her grandpa, but still he is not yet come. What is the reason? They given three options, no? Grandfather was talking to Aunt Divya. Second one, grandfather had fainted. In third one, grandfather was watching television. So what is the reason why grandfather not yet come to see her Rita? Yes, second option. Grandfather had fainted. Okay, so that's why he not came to see Rita. Then fourth one. Imagine Rita kept crying and did not do anything to help her grandfather. What could have happened? Write your thoughts in a sentence or two. Just imagine, kids. She is always crying and not yet take two steps to solve the problem means what would happen Rita's grandfather. So what will happen for Rita's grandfather? That sentences you have to write it in this dash. What we will be write? What will happen for Rita's grandpa if she not do any steps to solve the problem means? Any answers from your side? Yes. So if you are crying, if she is continuously crying, not yet take any steps means grandpa's condition is very worst. Am I correct? Yes. So there is no use of crying. If you have any problems, we should not cry. Stop crying and start to solve the problems. Okay. So if she is crying continuously means what will happen? Rita's grandpa could have fallen very ill. So his conditions may have become worse. So that may be happen if she is not doing any steps for to solve the problems. Okay. The next one. We can think of just one solution when we are faced with a problem. Just you can imagine that. We can think of just one solutions when we are faced with the problems. Yes. So if you have any problem in this, absolutely we have to think about any one solutions to solve the problems. So you have to put tick mark for this box. Okay. The next one, think and ink. This is your activity. You have to think and try to solve the problems. Okay. See here, 6.4. Imagine you and your best friend have had a fight last week. Wow. So just you can imagine that your best friend and you, both of you, fight at last week. You have not spoken to each other since then. Still you didn't speak to your friend. You miss talking to your friend, but you are missing a lot to your friend because she or he may be your close mate. Okay, so then you have to talk. You are eagerly waiting to talk. What was happened? Because you have fought with last week, so you don't want to talk with him, but you would like to talk to your friend. So what are the solutions you will be take? What are the steps you will be take to talk to your friend? Okay, this is your activity. Work with your partner. So if you are in a school means you will be discuss with your friends, but unfortunately you are staying at your home, no, you have to discuss with your parent. Okay, make a problem solving plan. Go back to look deep 6.2. So 6.2 activity, how Rita grandpas are ill. So what are the solutions he has taken to solve the problems now? So like that you also think that, yeah, what are the ways you have to talk to your friend. So you have to write 3 solutions to solve the problem. Got it, kids? Then think of at least 2 ways by which you can start talking to each other. Fill this table to record your plan. So you have to, they given a few dashes, no? So that dashes you have to write those answers, how to solve the problems, how to talk with your friend. Got it, kids? So how you will be talk? Forgive and forgot. Yes. So you have to forget everything and say sorry to your friend. So next time we should not do like that. We are a close friend, best friend. So we should not fight with each other hereafter. So you have to start to speak like that and try to solve the problem. So what are the ways you will be solve the problems, that you have to write it in your note. Okay. The next one, this is your home fun activity. Your companion book. Take your companion book. Yes. Look at the pictures of some activities that Rahul did last weekend. Write sentences to describe the things he did, or remember to use action words that indicate the past. Already we discussed the past tense now. So past tense means which was action already over. Okay, so it indicates the past tense, and mostly we have to add ed at the end of the action word. For example, work, we have to write the past tense of the word worked. Okay, jump, jumped. Okay, play, played. Watch, watched. So these are the past tense of the words. So you have to write it. So past tense means the actions which was already over. So that is called as past tense. Got it, kids? So now look at these pictures, what the kids are doing, and you have to write the action words in past tense. Remember that to use action words that indicates the past. The action words should be the past tense. Got it, kids? What the boy is doing? Yes, playing. So you can write Rahul, name of the boy. You can write any name. So I have given Rahul. You have to give Raju or write your name. Okay, so write any person's name. Rahul jump on the trampoline. So here I written jumped. Okay, so jumped is present or past tense? Yes, absolutely correct. That is the past tense. What is the present tense of jumped? Jump. Okay, so jump is present tense, jumped is past tense. Got it, kids? So you can write those answers. Rahul jumped on the trampoline. The next one, what the boy is doing? Planting. Okay, so you can write planted. He planted a seed. If you want to, first you have to plant a tree, means you have to plant seed. Some plants and all we have to put seed, and some plants we have to sapling. A small plant we have to sapling. So you have to write he planted a seed. Then third one, he watched a movie, or you can write they watched a movie. Here watch is present tense. What is the past form? Watched. Okay, and then fourth one, they played football, or you can write he played football. The next one, he cleaned his room. Then next one, he baked a cake. Seventh one, he painted a tree. And eighth one, he washed the dishes. So here past tense of the verb clean, past tense is cleaned. Bake, past tense baked. So here I told you which are the words ending with E, we have to add only D. Okay, move, moved, like, liked. So already I told you, so which are the words ending with E, when you are writing the past tense you have to add only D. Got it, kids? He baked a cake. The next one, He painted a tree. So past tense of the verb paint, painted. Okay, what is the past tense of paint? Painted. He painted a tree. The next one, he washed the dishes. So these are the action verbs they did before itself. Those answers you have to write it in your book. The next one, we are going to see the prepositions. That is also already we discussed in last class. So prepositions, that is the position. So what are the prepositions we used? Under, on, before, beside, behind, beneath, above, okay, into, at, along. So these are the prepositions we used, and I showed some. I have given some examples. What are the prepositions we have to use? Now we are going to see a few prepositions where we have to use in, on. Okay, recall that we use words such as in and on to talk about the position or location of things. Already I told you they answer the questions where. Okay, so in, on means the questions may be arise where. Okay. Grandpa and Rita are spending some time together. See, look at the picture. So Rita and Rita's grandpa, they are spending together for reading. They are going through an old photo album. Read their conversation about it. Fill in the blanks with in or am suitably. So you have to look at the pictures carefully, and you have to choose where you have to write the preposition in or on. Okay, see here they given two examples for you. See the left side. So what they are doing? Yes, they are with the boat. So this picture was taken as a small village near Kerala during our vacations. So where they will be taken? Where you can find? Yes, we can find in Kerala in vacation time. So you have to write the picture was taken in a small village near Kerala during our vacations. So you have to write the preposition in. So what preposition you have to write it here? In, because they are taking these incidents in small village. They are taking in the village. So you have to write preposition in. Okay, the next one. Look, grandpa. You are sitting as an elephant. So they are. She is telling. Rita is telling. See here, grandpa. So it's a elephant ride. So where grandpa and Rita are sitting? They are sitting on the elephant. So they are sitting on. Okay. So on the elephant. So you can write on. Okay. So look, grandpa. You are sitting on an elephant. Where was this picture taken? Okay, so the picture may be taken in Kerala. Kerala side also we can see the elephant riding. Have you all been Kerala? Yes, sir. Okay. So see here what prepositions you have to write it here in, and here you have to write the preposition on. Got it, kids? The next one. Read the following table. It lists words that talk about the position of things. Complete the examples with the correct word. So here they given a few words. Okay, what is the first word? Beside. What is the meaning of beside? Near. Okay, at the side of. Beside means near, at the side of, near to us. Okay, so meaning is at the side of. So they give an example. So look at the picture. Here we can find sofa and light lamp. Okay, the lamp is beside the coach. Coach means nothing but that is the sofa. So here the lamp is beside the coach. Beside means it's a side of, or you can write near. So near the sofa or at the side of the sofa we can find the lamp. Am I correct, kids? Yes, so you can write beside means nothing but at the side of, or it's a near to you, or near the objects. Okay, the lamp is beside the coach. So you can write the lamp. So here lamp is naming word, is be verb, beside is preposition, that is the position. The coach is the naming word. Okay, so here also first sentence, first word is naming word, and end of the word is also naming word. In center we can find the position where the things. Okay, so beside, that is the positions, that is called as preposition. Okay, kids, the next one. Between means in center. Okay, middle. Between means center.